how to make Game Pass in Roblox. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, you want to go ahead and open your web browser as we cannot make Game Passes on Roblox app itself. So go ahead and open up your preferred browser. For now, I'm going to be using Safari. So once you open it up, tap on the search bar and then type in roblox.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and tap on continue in browser. Now, once it is done, you want to make sure that you're logged into your Roblox account. Now, once you're logged in, tap on this create option and you'll find this kind of interface. You want to go ahead and tap on this place. And once you are inside the dashboard, tap on this tree line icon, scroll below and then simply select passes under monetization. Once you are inside the passes section, tap on create a pass. Go ahead and name your pass. And you can simply add descriptions as well. Once you are done, tap on create pass right over here. Now as you can see, the pass has been successfully created. Now go ahead and tap on your pass. Now again tap on tree line. Tap on sales. Toggle on this button that says item for sale. Type in the price. Once done, tap on Save Changes. And just like so, you have successfully made a Game Pass on Roblox. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload. That is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end.